From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a blaring alarm that shatters your sleep? Look no further than the LELED digital projection alarm clock by Noiseless, a game-changing way to start your day. This amazing device is not only a top-rated alarm clock, but it's also a noise-canceling powerhouse that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. With its sleek appearance and LED display, it's the perfect addition to any bedside table. One of the best things about this clock is its low power consumption, so you don't need to worry about it draining your batteries or requiring an external power supply. The noiseless design means you can sleep peacefully without any annoying ticks or buzzes, and the memory function ensures that your settings are saved even in the event of a power failure. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its reliability and functionality. The LELED digital projection alarm clock is a nice utility tool to put on your table, and its smooth texture and quiet operation make it a joy to use. Imagine waking up to a gentle glow and a clear display of the time, without any jarring sounds to disturb you. This clock is perfect for heavy sleepers, light sleepers, and everyone in between. It's also a great tool for travelers, as it's compact and easy to take on the go. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current alarm clock or just want a reliable and efficient way to wake up, the LELED digital projection alarm clock is the perfect choice. So why wait? Start your day off right with this incredible device and experience the difference for yourself. With its unique combination of style, functionality, and noise-canceling technology, this clock is sure to become your new favorite way to wake up. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.